Welcome to Milan, Italy, a city where history, fashion, and innovation meet. Home to the magnificent Duomo, world-famous fashion houses, and centuries of art and culture, Milan is the beating heart of modern Italy. From stunning architecture to vibrant streets, this city blends the past and the future in unforgettable ways. Let's explore Milan. Milan isn't just fashion and architecture, it's also full of beautiful green spaces and fountains. Parks like Parco Sempione offer peaceful gardens, walking paths, and views of historic landmarks. Around the city, elegant fountains such as the one in Piazza Fontana add charm and calm to the busy streets, giving locals and visitors places to relax and enjoy the atmosphere of Milan. Standing at the entrance of the magnificent Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, one of the world's oldest shopping galleries. Built in the 1800s, its grand arches, stunning glass roof, and elegant architecture make it one of the most beautiful landmarks in Milan. A true masterpiece of Italian design. We were fortunate enough to enjoy lunch at this restaurant next to the Thai shop. One of the best parts was simply sitting there and watching all the people pass by. This is Palazzo Mezzanotte, home of the Borsa Italiana in Milan. Built in 1932, it's known for its massive columns and impressive architecture, making it one of the city's most important financial landmarks. Did you notice the striking sculpture, Love, Il Dito? This bold modern artwork stands in sharp contrast to the classical architecture, making it one of the most talked about sites in Milan. Street performers dressed as characters from Transformers entertain visitors in the streets of Milan. These colorful performers often pose for photos and add a fun, lively atmosphere to the historic city center. Getting around Milan is easy thanks to its excellent public transportation. The Milan Metro, along with trams, buses, and city bikes, makes it simple for locals and visitors to explore the city quickly and efficiently. This is the Teatro alla Scala, one of the most famous opera houses in the world, located in Milan. Opened in 1778, La Scala is known for its elegant interior, with tiers of private opera boxes lined with red velvet and detailed gold ornamentation. For centuries, it has hosted legendary performances and premieres by some of Italy's greatest composers, making it one of the most prestigious theaters in the history of opera. While wandering through the area, we came across several unique little hideaways. They were beautiful and intriguing spots you might easily miss. When you visit, take the time and maybe you can find one of these. This is Castello Sforzesco, a massive 15th century fortress in the heart of Milan. Built by Duke Francesco Sforza, these towering brick walls and defensive towers once protected the city. Today, the castle stands as one of Milan's most historic landmarks and is home to several museums. Behind many doors in Milan, the heart of fashion, you will find where style meets the streets. Watch these beautiful ladies gracefully walking, showcasing effortless elegance amidst the city's iconic charm. Every step here is a statement. In Italy, every meal is an experience. The flavors were incredible, fresh, rich, and so appetizing. We took our time, savoring each bite, soaking in the atmosphere, and enjoying the simple joy of Italian food. Now it's time to continue our journey and explore more of beautiful Northwest Italy. Join us on our journey. Adventure and discoveries await around every corner.